One of the easiest ways to accept payments is with custom payment links. So I'll show you in this video how you can create a payment link and send it to your customers for easy and secure transactions. To create a payment link, navigate to Payments, then click Payment Links from your navigation bar. Here we can create and manage our payment links, and we'll get started by clicking Create New Payment Link. First, select your product from the left-hand side, designate a quantity, and then determine which options you would like from the following. You can require customers to add a phone number, collect customer addresses, allow coupon codes, let customers adjust quantities, and enable redirection to a custom URL. You can see a live preview in the right-hand side of the screen as you modify your options below. Under Advanced Options, you can modify your call to action for payment link button from either Pay, Book, or Donate. Once your link is ready, you can give it a title in the top of your screen, and then either get a preview or click Save. By clicking Copy or Send, you can get a standard payment link that any number of contacts can use, or you can create a personalized payment link for contacts. Using personalized payment links for contacts will allow only that contact to open their payment link. You can also send your payment link to a multitude of contacts by clicking Send to Contacts. This is perfect if you want to send your payment link to multiple customers by either SMS, email, or both. To keep things simple, we'll just copy our link right here, and when we open it up, we can see our payment link is live and we're ready to accept payments. And just like that, we can accept our payments easily through the platform using our own branding and with as much customization as we want. We hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.